biasa aja sih aku sama Mr. Suju.
Diam-diam
Where is
baik.
Beta? Where is Beta? Beta or Adip?
I don't know.
Where is Mr. Anang?
Mana apa
Wait.
kabar?
Sensor saya nyala mulai
Aku
tadi.
baik.
Ya ampun kangen banget, sumpah kangen banget.
Agus welcome in our class.
Yes, this is the real our class.
Tapi kalau nggak ada kelas langsung hilang jejak semuanya.
Ya iyalah, kita udah dengan aktivitasnya masing-masing.
Kayak agak kenal.
Apa? Maaf.
Ana.
Yes.
I'm gonna tell you something. Good news, I think.
Oke. I will.
Miss Belinda sudah tunangan, Miss.
Oh? So far.
Iya.
Yeah.
20. Come
On
on.
your engagement. Miss Belinda, congratulations on your engagement. Ya kan?
Oh.
Nggak dipakai malam ini, Miss.
Yes ya.
20.
Ya, good news.
Kuliah belum lulus, kakak. Masya Allah.
Baby Mr. Suju.
Iya, kayaknya Mr. Suju deh.
No.
Mr. Suju deh sama siapa nih?
Sorry ya, masih susunya juga, yo.
Mem, saya berhasil turun berat badan 8 kilo.
Hah? Oh, can.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Dan masih akan 18 kilo lagi.
Hah?
Alhamdulillah, semoga aja sampai 1 kilo sekalian.
Oh my God.
Serius. Masih ada target 18 kilo.
What the tips?
I diet my, what is that? Calorie. I'm not eating, yes, carbo. I'm not eating, what is that? Sugar. Gorengan, ice. So I just eat fruit and also
Oh God.
vegetable.
Oh my God.
I cannot live gorengan, Mbak.
You can, if you have a big dreams, if you have a goals for your life. So I think all of us can do it.
Yeah. So difficult, you know. Yeah.
I know.
Punish your body.
You know, Mbak. I'm extra large, you know. Yeah.
Me too. Oh my God.
I don't know, but I really hard to make my body lebih berat. I don't know why.
Heavier. But
I always
okay.
eating, but I don't know why.
I think you still slim, and I want to be you.
It can be.
Actually, yes. Mr. Anna so slim.
I
Yes.
don't know why. She has 3 child, but she
Yeah.
Oh, welcome Miss Safina Bulan Koesasi.
Hi, Miss
From
Safina.
Korea.
Nice
Hi,
to meet
Miss Safina.
you.
Nice to meet
Hi,
you.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too all.
Welcome to our mom's class, Miss Safina.
Hey, so I'm
Maybe your signal it's not good, Agus.
Agus, di mana? Mr. Agus di mana sekarang, sir? Di rumah.
Di
Miss Beta
Kuningan,
comes.
is my
Miss Beta
home.
comes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Beta. I don't know. I'm really missing you.
Which one is influencing our life between teacher and book? This is debate, right?
Presentation only.
Why? You
Oh.
say that. Why?
Our first class. Why we must presentation
Bisa
in
setuju.
I don't agree if we have to present this topic.
So, you want this class is become teacher class?
I want to debate this topic.
Okay. Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good evening, brother and sister. Good evening, one brothers and 4 sisters. Welcome, Mr. Thomas Wisnu. Thomas. Thomas
Mr.
Wisnu.
Suju.
Okay, I will do it.
Wait a minute, okay? Wait a minute.
Okay, I wait you in a minute. More than 1 minute. Okay, I will start.
Jahara ih.
Jahara. Kenapa saya pakai ini ya? Gak dipakai loh. Ya Allah, nyakit-nyakit di telinga.
Maybe you're nervous.
Ya, ya, because of Miss Ana nih. Iya. Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good evening, Miss Beta. Good night, Miss Ana. Have a nice dream.
Gitu ya kalau sama emak-emak ya.
Okay, and then, okay, wait a moment. I will ask all of student one by one. Safina Bulan, where are you? Okay, Miss Safina, nice
Sir.
and glad to see you. Okay, Miss Belinda, hi. Okay, I'm sad to see you. Okay, thank you. Our topic for tonight is which one is influencing our life between teacher and book. Mana yang mempengaruhi kehidupan kita? Studying with the teacher, or of a teacher, or reading a book every time, everywhere, until we have many books on our library. Okay, this is our questions. Which one is influencing our life between teacher and book? So here you can choose one of them, one of it, teacher only or book only. You can choose both of them between teacher or book. Or you can choose N. Sir, I choose N. No. There is no N here. So teacher or a book, okay? I think you focus, and for tonight, Miss Anna become mothers, but yesterday night, Ma'am Anna be a little lady and beautiful lady, and now a big lady. Oh, Ma'am Anna. Okay. Mr. Agus, where is Mr. Nanang? Mr. Thomas, please no. This is Mr. Nanang or whom? Hello, Mr. Thomas.
Hello.
Okay, can I see your picture? Sorry, can I see your videos, Mr. Thomas? Where are you from, Mr. Thomas? Okay, I really so much. Oh, Mr. Oh, handsome boy. And inshallah, it's not beautiful boy. This is handsome boy. I really know that. Oh, it's handsome boy, not beautiful boy. Oke, Miss Belinda. Miss Belinda, itu kacamata ada kaca atau enggak ya? Itu kacamatanya ada kaca atau enggak ya?
Ngapain sih?
Kayaknya enggak ada deh. Coba gini kan. Just doing like this. Okay, welcome Mr. Irfan. Okay, oh, for tonight, all of them come to our class. Okay, welcome Mr. Irfan Putra. So, for the first time, my question this, okay? I think this is completely enough. Ini cukup lengkap. Okay, I can start this topic or this motion for tonight. Okay, I'll repeat once more for brother and sister, ladies and gentlemen, whom I respect, and beautiful one and handsome boy, and Mr. Agus and friends. So for our motion for tonight is which one is influencing our life between teacher or book? Mana yang mempengaruhi kehidupan kita, teacher or book? Okay, you can choose one of them, not both of them. Kalian bisa memilih one, teacher only or book only, and give your real and rational reason in this class, because this class is active class to speak English well. So welcome with me, Mr. Suji Susyanto and Mr. Suju. Okay, in this motion. Okay, for our body. Oh, not our body. For our friends, Miss Safina, do you understand what I say?
Sorry, my connection is lost.
Oh, your connection is lost. Okay, Miss Safina, you can buy your or you can buy your signal before you buy your handphone. Okay? Beli dulu sinyalnya, beli dulu koneksinya before you buy your handphone. Okay, thank you. Tapi sudah bisa nyambung, Miss Safina?
Iya, sekarang sudah bisa.
Oke, thank you. Welcome to our class. This is Mom's class, ya. Ini kelasnya Mama. Oke, Mr. Irfan. Halo, Mr. Irfan.
Hello, Mr.
Mr. Suju keren nge-freeze-nya bisa kayak gitu ya.
Okay, let me see you one by one. Oh, Miss Safina like that. Okay. Oh, Miss Rini. Hai, Miss Rini. Mohon maaf lahir batin. Oh my God. Sorry ya, belum sempat datang ke rumahnya. Sorry ya. Okay, before we start our class, let's check it out like this one. Okay, we will take picture together. Mr. Agus, ayo, come on. Mr. Agus, 1, 2, 3, go, appears. Nampaklah Mr. Agus, di mana kau berada. Oke. Gini semuanya, kita akan foto dulu. Mr. Thomas seganteng-gantengnya. Oke, 1, 2, 3. Oke, thank you. Oke. Oke, good. Sudah memana? Oke. Well, okay, this is debating. Before that, you have to give your reason presentation, your reason argumentation, your logic argumentation, I mean, to make your friends believe in your opinion. Okay, untuk membuat teman-teman kalian percaya terhadap your opinion. Okay, which one do you choose? Both of them. Mana yang dipilih? Okay. Okay, I'll give time for about 2 minutes. Teacher or book? Silakan tentukan pilihanmu. Okay. Teacher or book? Okay. Okay, teacher or book. Okay, finish? Yang mempengaruhi hidup kalian, teacher or book. Okay. Before that, like usual, I am asking your opinion first before I give some question for you all. Okay. Okay, I will close this screen share to make our face between you and me see each other, saling melihat. Okay. Okay, I'll check this on our chatting. Okay. At the first, based on my absent, at the first is Miss Beta. To Miss Beta, time is yours.
Okay, thank you. Hi everyone.
Okay.
So long time
Hi.
not see you. Okay, I choose teacher.
Okay.
Yeah, because
Then?
Yeah, because for me, the teacher can create our mind and can give us the point of view and can make and can create our discipline and the motivate and more active. So we fun to learning. Yeah, it's from me.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Miss Beta. For Miss Beta, I'll give you this. Okay, good. And the next, Miss Anna. Okay, for Miss Anna, time is yours. Is monggo.
Oke.
Orang sepuh ya, harus dihormatin. Ya,
Tua maksudnya.
walaupun masih glowing, masih bukan gelap tua. Oke, yuk.
Okay, for me, which one is influence our life between teacher and book? For me, teacher is influence my life because not only the theory I get from the teacher, I get more than theory. Uh, I have more knowledge. I have more education and attitude from the teacher, and I have more pelajaran. What is pelajaran? Study for life from the personal from the teacher. The personal from the teacher, and I think teacher make our life. Sometimes teacher make our life change or get more apa ya namanya knowledge. That's my opinion, Mr. Suju. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Ana. Okay, good. Good opinion. Okay, good. And now, yuk, Miss Belinda.
Okay. Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Hi, everyone.
I choose book because for me, too difficult to trust new one in my life. So I want to know him or her first, so I can believe what they speak. But if I choose book, I know the book, I know who is the writer, and I think book more a lot of things in my life.
Okay, thank you, Miss Belinda. So, Miss Belinda choose a book influencing her life. Okay, thank you. And now, Miss Safina Bulan Sabit, silakan.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
I'm so nervous. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, ayah, saya juga nervous. Sorry. Hi.
Which one is influence our life between teacher or book? I choose teacher because teacher is can give me more information and can teacher not lesson. I'm sorry.
Terus?
We can learn life lesson from teacher, not a formal information just or some education for school. Yeah.
That's all. Okay, thank you, Miss Safina Bulan Kausasi. Okay, welcome to our handsome brother and clever student. Please, Mr. Irfan Adi Putra Setiawan, welcome to our boxing. Time is yours.
Hello, everyone.
Halo, everybody. Ih, hilang-hilang ini orang ini. Ternyata bisa hilang.
I guess teacher because with teacher we not only study about school lesson, but with teacher we also study about character building. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Irfan. Your short explanation. Okay, and now our brother Thomas Wisnu from Thailand. Time is yours.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
I choose teacher because I need more explanation from teacher.
That's all?
Yes.
Oh my God. Oke. So, ya Allah, begitu cute-nya dia memberikan presentasinya, brother. Ya Allah, sampai saya terkesima. Oke, thank you, Mr. Thomas. And now, Miss Yani Sugeng Dalu, monggo, your opinion. Yeah, come on, Miss Rini.
Sorry. Jangan ribut. Alright. Okay, for my opinion in the influencing between teacher and book, I choose teacher because the creator of the book is teacher. Because even that someone is not a teacher, but they can call teacher because they have experience, right? And in this era modern, we can keliling world by read a book.
Go. Go.
We can go around the world by a book, by their experience. So we can menghayalkan how the world is. Yes, I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, thank you. And now, Mr. Agus.
Hi, everyone.
Hello.
Okay. My opinion of which one is influence our life between teacher or book. I think I choose teacher. Why? I don't know why the teacher I immediately lebih cepat mengerti apa namanya? I immediately understand more than book, but a book is apa ya? Cannot understand lah. And hotness, I cannot. I sometimes not read by book, not read book. So yeah, I think the teacher lah lebih cepat mengerti lah intinya.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Agus. And now, at the last, our friends, Mr. Nanang. Time is yours.
I'm the last. Okay.
Yeah.
Just a minute. Okay, okay. The question is, which one is influencing our life between teacher and book? Yeah. In my opinion, both of them influencing my life.
Just one of you.
Yeah. Okay. I will explain about the difference between the. I mean, there is a little different how to influencing our life, both between teacher and books. Yeah, because teacher usually stimulate and building the character or encourage the student, yeah, the student, and the teacher give main idea, just main idea. I mean, give globally yeah, main idea or globally lesson, yeah. And from the book we get the deeply lesson, and yeah, and then sometimes a teacher give just one or two question example, but in the book we can get many question and many case study. Yeah, so I mean how to influence us is different. Both of them influence us, but the difference the different yeah. Okay. But if you ask me which one, I choose teacher first.
Okay, Mr. Nang, welcome to our class and thank you very much. Okay, give applause for you all. Yang kenceng applause-nya. Okay, thank you. And now, okay, sponsor lewat. Okay, thank you. And now, please give us your questions for Miss Belinda first. Okay, at the first, Miss Anna. Okay, for Miss Belinda, please write down your like this one. Okay, your pen in your book. Okay, Miss Anna, your question for Miss Belinda because only one student here choose a book and this is a balancing. It's okay because Miss Belinda can face many people, bisa menghadapi banyak orang. More than 1,000, it's okay. This is Miss Belinda. So later I will help you if you need something. Okay?
I think
But Miss Belinda, you can ask to your friends. Jadi Miss Belinda bisa nanya ke teman semuanya. Ini kalian harus menjawab satu-satu, oke? Okay? Mengulang, repeat your friends' statement, it's okay. But the most important thing, you have to speak up and speak up. Oke, okay, thank you. Paling penting kalian itu harus ngomong, entah mengulang pernyataan dari temannya, terserah. Everything you can say. But the most important thing is build up your speaking. Okay, thank you. And the first question from Miss Anna.
I think
for Miss Belinda.
Miss Belinda always choose the different.
Ya, itu tipe dari orang Mojokerto.
That she's type.
My God. Okay.
What's the book? What's the type of the book that have influenced your life, Miss Belinda?
Our life. Okay.
Yeah, our life.
Okay.
What the type of the book?
Okay. Tipe buku apa? Okay, thank you, Memana. And now, Miss Beta Galtem from Thailand. Please welcome.
Actually, I don't have question, but I don't know.
It's meant that Miss Beta berarti milih buku nih. If you don't have some question, I will change you in the books verses.
No.
Biasa aja, kenapa? Bisa biasa aja, nggak usah pakai tunjuk-tunjuk.
Apa ya? Bingung mau nanya apa.
Okay, later, Miss Beta. Okay, prepare it. Okay, Miss Safina, your question for Miss Belinda.
I still don't know what.
Okay, thank you. Harus nanya. Okay, Mr. Irfan Adiputra Setiawan, your question. Oke, tidak boleh gugur kepala. Oke, lanjut.
How do you do if you after read a book and you tetap understand about the theory? What do you do?
Okay, what will you do if you after reading a book you didn't understand what is the theory? Okay. After reading a book, you don't understand about the content of the book. Thank you, Mr. Irfan. Good. And Mr. Thomas.
I don't know.
Mr. Thomas, you don't know. Oke, yuk Mr. Nanang.
Oh.
Apaan tuh? Bisa hilang. Yuk Mr. Nanang.
I'm sorry. I come late, so I don't know the answer of Miss Belinda, the teacher or the book.
Belum.
Yeah, I
Oke,
just book.
belum sir.
Huh?
Yeah.
Miss
I
Belinda
can
milih
repeat my
buku.
answer.
Okay.
I just book because it's difficult for me to trust new people in my life.
I just want to ask you about your experience. Maybe do you have maybe you have experience about the sometimes the people love the lesson subject according to the teacher. Yeah. Someone can love mathematics because the teacher is very comfortable and understand to that the lesson. Do you have experience about that?
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Nanang. And now, Miss Rini Amriani, time is yours.
Okay. My question for Miss Belinda is, in book is describe about the method about something. So, how you can understand how to lakukan in lapangan, what the English ya?
How to do in the field.
How to practice it
our life
in the real life. Okay.
Yeah, like okay. For example, cooking book cooking.
Yes.
I think if we just read on book, we don't know how to look the after the looking, how the after ini loh. Because we more better if we look at YouTube, ya kan? Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Nah.
I agree. Yes.
Yeah.
I got your point.
Yeah, and then I can get the point. What do you mean you can trust someone who wanna teach you? Because I think in school the teacher is new, right? So I think we have to trust them.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Miss Rini. Okay.
I hope you get the point.
Okay. Yes. Mr. Agus, how about you, sir? You have some signal, keep spirit, sir. Although you have work, but you have still spirit to study. Okay. Pesan dari Kampung Inggris untuk pemirsa radio TVRI semuanya, berita keep spirit, sir. Although you have dan sebagainya. Okay, thank you. Back to the Jalan Lurus, Mr. Agus.
Yeah. Miss Belinda, I a question for you. Can you give us tips and trick about how you like a book? Tips and tricknya lah, intinya tips dan triknya gimana caranya lebih suka bisa baca buku gitu.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
I'm so nervous.
Why?
Banget.
Bisa sana. I'm so nervous, sorry.
Kalau cuma sampai sana jangan nervous, sir. Nervousnya sama saya.
Not nervous on this class. This is a good class.
Mr. Agus, Miss Ana is your senior.
No.
What?
Mim Ana is your senior?
No, we are the team.
Yeah, yes. She is senior, my senior.
Oke, kalau senior sampean itu ngapa-ngapain, bentak-bentak sampean bilang ke saya, oke?
I never angry.
Dan di belakang Mr. Agus pokoknya.
Who do you
Go
think you are, Mr.
slowly.
Suju? Who do you think you are? Why you say like that? What will you do?
No.
Okay, thank you, brother. Okay, come on, time is yours, Miss Belinda.
Oh my God, so many questions here, and I have to answer it one by one.
Okay, and now you give some question for them.
I don't know. Only one question for them.
Later, you give some question for them. Later, you give some
after I
question for them.
answer, then I give them a question. Okay. What type of book that I like? The most book that I like, the most book. Apa sih, Mister? Bener nggak sih? The most I like book. Apa sih urutannya kayak gimana sih?
The most book.
The most book I like.
The most book that I like. The title is Sejenak Hening.
Sejenak Hening.
Yes, I forget the name of the writer, but it really make me feel like calm when I read that book. So there are a lot of words that help me to solve my problem when I got a crowded situation in my life. So yeah, about motivation, like, and also recently, akhir-akhir ini, because I'm in communication, some book that I like about my major, for example, how to know the method to analyze something, to my skripsi and etc. And I like to read the method, or apa sih metode penelitian, research method. Yeah. I hope that I can answer your question, Memana. Okay. Number 2. What I do when I don't know the meaning, gitu ya. Gitu nggak sih, Mr. Ivan? What I do if I...
Mr. Ivan or Mr. Suju?
Mr. Irfan. Apa sih?
Irfan.
Oh.
What will I do if I didn't get any meaning, or what is that mean from that book that I read? Yeah, I will read it again, because I think I never read book only once, twice, and more, because it will make me more understand what the meaning of the book. Like that. Okay. Hah? Sih. Oh, pernahkah saya bertemu someone who make me like the lesson because of the teacher? Mr. Nanang, is that your question?
Yep.
Okay. Actually, I have, but I forget. What is that? English, maybe? Yeah. English. Saya baru suka bahasa Inggris when I'm in the 3rd class in junior high school. Alah, susah banget sih ngomongnya. And I only like to practice storytelling, and I still don't like what is the structure and etc. And I just like memorize text, and I will tell you what is the story, like that. And I like the teacher how to teach me, kayak gitu. Only that, and lainnya nggak pernah. Number 4, susah banget tuh jawab kayak kuis gue. Sometimes I read the book and I found the method of doing something and how to practice it in our real life, in my real life. Yeah, I will practice it if I understand what the meaning. And if you give me an example, how to cook something. Actually, I never practice it in my life because too difficult for me to like a cook, to like do that. But when I practice something from read a book, itu qualitative research after I read it, and then I can do something with my book after I read that book. Itulah, astagfirullahaladzim. Apa sih ini? Okay. What do you think that we have to trust with a new one when he or she is our teacher in our school? Because all of them is new and we have to trust them. Like what I said, I never trust them directly in the first meet. I will look for a lot of information about them. Then I know. Then I will hear what they say. Nggak semuanya aku terima. I filter all of their apa sih penjelasan gitu. Jadi nggak semua explanation. I will filter all of their explanation, what they want to say, what ya gitulah. Because in my enggak. Because in my university there is a lecturer who want to brainwash their student. Kayak gitu. Jadi not all teacher is good for our life. We need to feel curious what they want to say behind their message, like that. Okay. I hope my answer can solve your curious one, Miss Rini. Okay. Tips and trick how I like to read a book. First, you have to look for what is your favorite book, and the second, what is your favorite title or apa sih topic. Then actually there is no specific tips and trick how to like reading a book, because that is depend on ourselves. What we want to get, what we need from the book. After you got explanation from your teacher and you want to know more about something, you can find it in our book, because some of my lecture teach us to read a book if you want to know more, because I will tell you just a little things from the book, and if you want to know more, just read the book, like that. Okay. Oh my God. Gitu, Mister. Thank you, guys.
My God.
Okay, thank you. And now, please prepare for all our friends that choosing a teacher, because the question from Miss Belinda you have to answer one by one. Harus dijawab satu persatu. Okay, come on, Miss Belinda.
How many questions that I have to give to them?
Okay, two.
First.
For all. Okay, first.
Okay, first. Are you sure that you are really trust to your teacher? Because you never know what the message behind from their speech in front of you. That's the first question.
Okay.
Only one, maybe?
Only one, okay. Can you translate Indonesia? Maybe one of our friends needs Indonesian language.
Okay. Apakah kamu yakin bahwa kamu itu benar-benar yakin gitu sama gurumu? Karena kamu tidak pernah tahu apa pesan tersirat atau apa pesan yang tersembunyi di balik pesan yang sedang disampaikan kepadamu. Gitu.
Okay, thank you for Miss Belinda. And now, please, who's the first? Become the first, Miss Ana, or Miss Afina, or Mr. Irfan, Thomas, Mr. Nanang, Miss Beta, Mr. Agus, or Miss Rini? Who's the first?
Me first.
Okay.
Okay, ya, mana?
I think not always in the first time we see or we we meet the teacher, we must trust her, but not always the teacher that's get get us the knowledge or ilmu itu apa namanya, education. The teacher like a friend or like a boss that I feel he or she are the teacher that when he or when they get me the knowledge, new knowledge, like some people apa ya namanya ya, some people give me one more education, they I think a teacher. That's my point. From their experience, their background, I think that's my teacher. That's I mean.
Okay, thank you, Mim Ana. Okay, good. And now, yo, come on, your statement, Miss Bulan, Safina Bulan Purnama. Yo, come on. What is your opinion about Miss Belinda's question? Bagaimana pendapat Anda tentang pertanyaannya Miss Belinda?
The teacher is tidak harus itu apa ya?
No need.
Okay, must not.
No need ya.
Must not just in a school, but we can make some experience for my teacher. Paham nggak? Jadi saya pakai bahasa Indonesia boleh. Jadi intinya, guru itu tidak harus kayak yang formal, tapi juga bisa guru pengalaman gitu.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you think that experience is the teacher? Okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. Never mind. Experience is the best teacher. Okay. Okay. Okay, Mr. Irfan. Yo, come on.
Yes.
Mr. Irfan, no Mr. Irfan.
In my opinion, we not must receive all things that the teacher speak. We can filter the positive listen and negative listen. So we still get a positive lesson and apa ya, and reject negative apa ya, perkataan yang jelek gitu maksudnya.
Okay, bad word.
Yes, like that. Thank you, Mr.
Okay, thank you. And now, yo, come on, Mr. Thomas.
Yeah, I agree with Ivan. My opinion is I don't 100 trust the teacher. We can filter
Ini banyak yang dukung Miss Belinda nih.
Mana yang baik, mana yang buruk itu gimana?
Apa?
Mana baik, mana buruk.
Which one is bad and which one is good? Is good.
We can filter it. This is my opinion.
Okay, you have to know which one is bad and good. Okay, thank you. And now, Mr. Nanang. Belinda memang provokator sih.
As long as I know, the original goal for the teacher is to study, to positive thinking, to learn to teach the the students. Yeah, if there is a oknum teacher, yeah, I think oknum teacher who has the bad agenda, yeah, we have to we have to have a filter to throw the bad the bad character or something like that. And I'm more kepo, yeah, for Miss Belinda. Do you have experience about that?
Of course.
Okay, please take note. Catat dulu, Miss.
Okay.
I mean, what the hidden agenda do you mean? Yeah. Sorry, I kepo, yeah, about that.
I will answer it later, right? After all of this student answer my question, all of my friends.
Okay. It's okay. Okay. Okay, that's all, Mr. Nanang. Okay, Miss Rini Amriani.
Yes, I agree with Mr. Nanang. That's what I wanna ask for Miss Belinda's. So, okay, because all of the teacher is wanna give the best for their student because I think I don't have a negative action from my teacher, so I curious with Miss Belinda too. Is she have a negative experience from her opinion?
Do you have atau yeah.
Yeah, I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Yo, Mr. Agus, your statement. And the last, Miss Beta Gultom.
Yeah, I think I positive think for my teacher. Thus, I don't think I think not much everything the explanation, but we have to check and recheck again about the explanation by teacher. So yeah, not 100%. I believe the explanation. I think yeah, enough.
Okay, after I hear, okay, Miss Beta, yeah, come on.
Okay, thank you for the question, Miss Belinda. And for me, I really trust my teacher because based on my experience in the formal school, informal education or non-formal education, I have teacher have the main and good purpose and have the kindness and sincerely to teach me. And for me, the teacher can treat me and change my mind. And yeah, I know the teacher have the bad or the negative or yeah, we not all love or like teacher, but the normally or generally teacher have the purpose to educating the nation children because because the teacher have before finish their bachelor degree, I think teacher have the purpose or have the plan to have benefit or share the positive to children. And for me, if I trust myself, it means I trust to each other. And if you don't believe your someone else or you don't trust or believe each other, it means you don't believe to yourself. Because if you want to you want or you need the believer or the trusting each other, you must first believe to yourself. So and in the first, I want to ask, actually I want to ask you, but I think Mr. Suju forget to give me a chance. And I want to ask you, actually I want to asking you, you said that you difficult to, or hard to believe or trust teacher. And my question is, how you confident or how you interact to each other? Because I think you have a good to interact. And I based on my experience, my friend too much love reading book, he difficult to confident to speaking in have the bad public speaking and can interact with each other. Thank you, it's my opinion.
So you need my answer?
Okay, thank you. Okay, come on, Miss Belinda, you have an opportunity to answer your friends, or to maybe you have objection from your friend's statement. Okay, before your friends and your friend give some question each other.
Okay.
Come on.
I will give you a short answer maybe. We will try. First, I want to answer Mr. Nanang and Miss Rini question about have I got that experience that I get a teacher who have a hidden agenda when he or she teach us. Yes. And itu guru religion. And from that moment, I think, oh my God, we will all kayak gini, because I got that teacher in my campus, and in that semester I also got non-verbal communication. So I think yes, we have to curious with someone, everyone who give me a message, I will think twice. Are you sure that is that your real message? Gitu. And Miss Beta, if you ask me that majority of from your friend that they like reading a book too difficult, or they have a bad ability to speak in front of people, right? Is that
Yeah.
Okay. Gitu, Miss Beta?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I think from reading a book, I can treat someone based on my book that I have read. Gitu. I can treat people with different way. Ya gitulah. Saya bisa memperlakukan orang dengan berbeda cara berdasarkan on my book that I have read, dari buku yang sudah pernah saya baca. Gitu.
Okay, thank you, Miss Belinda. Okay, next. Okay, thank you. And now, for all our friends, please give some question for your friends to whom it's okay. After I hear from your statement that rather neutral or the middle position, this is Mr. Agus, Mr. Irfan, Mr. Thomas, Miss Bulan. Okay, you can ask to them or they want to ask. Okay, silakan. Miss Safina, Mr. Irfan, Mr. Thomas, Mr. Agus, maybe mau nanya ke selain Miss Belinda atau yang lain mau nanya ke mereka, or you wanna ask to your friends based on their opinion, not only focus to Miss Belinda. Okay, come on. Okay.
I wanna ask for Miss Belinda.
Okay. Okay.
How you get information on the book, even though the book is very thick? You cannot possibly read all of them, kan? Yeah. Yeah, like that. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, come on, answer it.
I will repeat the question. Ini kenapa saya dibilang kayak anak SMA? Mister, can you give me more explanation about your sentences. Okay.
Miss Belinda kayak anak SMA.
Kenapa kayak anak SMA? Kenapa?
No, kacamatanya maybe cuma biasa-biasa admin lagi ngantuk. Biasa. Just leave it. Kita fokus.
Oke. Lupa. Oh, gimana kalau bukunya tebel gitu kan? Tadi gitu nggak sih pertanyaannya? Oh ya. Gimana kalau bukunya tebel? Actually, saya punya buku. I have a book.
I have
a book. Until now, there is no pages more than berapa halaman sih saya punya buku tuh? 300 halaman tiap buku. There is no very thick book that I have read, so saya belum pernah ada di posisi itu. But I will try to read a skripsi book maybe after this. I will try, and if you feel curious, I will tell you. Gitu.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Belinda and Miss Bulan. Okay, the next question for your friends. Come on. Okay, this is a dilemmatic question from me. Okay, who makes the book and who makes the teacher clever? Okay, please answer my question. Who makes the books and who makes the teacher clever? Okay, at the first I'll give to Miss Beta.
Who makes the books?
Yeah, it's so difficult.
Okay, yeah, come on, try. This is my question. Who the book? Okay, and who makes the teacher clever in teaching us? Yeah, come on, answer my question.
Sudah kukira Mr. Suju tanya ini.
Who makes the books?
Okay, come on, everyone, you can answer my question because this is a difficult question from me. Since I was child until now, I can't determine who makes the book and who make the teacher clever. This is the question between telur sama ayam, kawan-kawan. Please help me.
Oh,
Mr. The closing question.
Kenapa au doang?
Oke, silakan. Harus bisa menjawab. Oke, Mem Ana, Miss Safina, Mr. Irfan, Thomas, Mr. Nanang, apalagi Miss Rini, apalagi Miss Belinda, Miss Beta, Mr. Agus. Mr. Agus ini kalau saya lihat-lihat kayak artis yang pemain di Samudra Cinta itu loh.
Saiful Jamil. Bukan.
Kayak Saiful Jamil sih, hampir sama juga.
Jangan.
Jangan Saiful Jamil ikut kelas online saya ini. Bisa disidak saya nih. Oke, come on. Miss Beta, come on. Aku sudah semangat deh.
Oke. Mem duluan.
Oh, Beta first. Oke.
Beta first, oke.
Oke. Who is make books? I think everyone can make books. And because the books is not because the books not only like the formal education, but it can tell your creativity or your experience, or like if you like to make the poetry, you can make the books. And for who make a teacher is clever, I like we know that the like the teacher is not only according to people, but is experience and experience or someone like that. So I think who make teacher is clever is the first is practice, because practice is always make perfect. So it's not according to the teacher like or too much love to read. So I think the practice and to learning, not learning to books only, but for their senior or I think teacher can teach from student, because not only teacher is true or know everything. So to the children can learn too. So it's for me because it's difficult, so I don't know. Okay, it's more of my my.
Okay, there is no difficult question. Okay, Ma'am Anna, Miss Anna, Bunda Anna. Okay, Asna's mother. Come on, time is yours. Or
Who
Mr.
makes
Agus
the
friend.
Who makes the books and who makes the teacher clever in teaching us? I think who make our we clever is teaching us is, I think, ourselves. I think you get a good teacher, you cannot clever if you don't listening there. You have a good book, but you'll never get clever if you doesn't read the book. I think you must I think what I mean, you must listen your teacher, you must understand your teacher, you must read your book, and you must understand your book. That can make you clever. That's my opinion.
Oh, baru menjadi calon-calon Mario Teguh ini. Pakai bahasa Inggris. Okay, thank you. And now the third is Miss Ternanang. Come on. Mr. Nanang kayak penyiar TV One itu loh. Hebat ya. Yuk. Pokoknya lengkap kelas kita. Ada artis, ada penyiar, ada wartawan. Ih.
But not Jeremy Teti ya. Okay. The question is, which one more clever, the teacher or the book?
Who makes the book?
Yeah.
No, okay. Who makes the books and who makes the teacher clever?
Who makes the book? Oh. I'm not ready for that question.
Okay. Oh, Mr. Nanang fokus tadi karena saya membahas artis dan saya kebetulan juga hampir sama dengan artis. Mohon maaf.
I ready for the question the book or teacher.
Okay, this is the question, sir. Okay, Miss Belinda, the fourth. Okay, Miss Belinda, time is yours.
Actually, I agree with Ma'am Anna. Actually, I have prepared to answer with your answer. Who?
Saya menggunakan insting genam, bisa dijawab.
Enggak kayak gitu. Who makes the book and who makes the teacher clever in teaching us? Who makes the books? I agree with Miss Beta. Everyone can make a book, because there are a lot of kind of book like that. Who makes the teacher clever in teaching us? First, depend on their self, and the second, from their teacher, and the third, from their book, and the fourth, from people around them, and the last, practice. Okay, that's all my answer. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. And now, Mr. Nanang, ready?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, and Miss Rini. Miss Rini, yo, come on, give your opinion.
Okay. Who makes the books and who makes the teacher clever teaching us? Who makes the book, and I agree with Miss Beta because there is so many kind of book. Miss Belinda too. And then who makes teacher clever? I think teacher can be clever because it's from their study. Such like us, we don't know from we study like now, in the future we can be an English teacher, right? Like that. So that's from the experience, I think. Thank you.
Okay, and now the next is Mr. Agus.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on, sir.
Who makes the book and who makes the teacher clever in teaching us? I think who makes the books absolutely the teacher or anything, anyone, and anyone have experience absolutely, and who makes the teacher clever in teaching us? I think teacher again. Why? Before make the books, absolutely, the teacher has a clever and more experience before make the book. I think the book is have the function is saving information. The teacher clever on experience. I think, yeah, enough.
Okay, Miss Bulan.
Who makes the books? And I agree with Miss Beta, Miss Belinda, and Miss Rini. Everyone can make the books. And who makes the teacher clever in teaching us? Maybe it's from their experience or something their research they have done to do. Yeah, that's all.
Oke, thank you. Oke, kalau bisa diperbanyak ya. Saya suka yang pendapat banyak kayak teman-teman yang lain ya. Oke, thank you Miss Wulan. Oke, masih pertama masuk kelas saya. Soalnya kelas saya harus cerewet. Oke, you must be fashy in our class. You must speak English. You must speak up and speak up by speaking English. Everything you can say. Oke, pokoknya gila dari kelas saya. Oke, next, Mr. Irfan. Time is yours.
Yes. Who makes the books and who makes the teacher clever in teaching us?
Okay.
I think, yes, anyone can make the books. And anyways, the books is made from the someone who expert in this field. And who makes the teacher clever in teaching us. I think teacher is very clever before teaching us because their experience and their knowledge semasa itu kerja praktek waktu mengajar di sekolah. So teacher is very clever and very have a good characteristic building for us. Thank you.
Oke, building dibaca building ya.
Oke, Mister.
Building. Oke.
Okay, thank you. Kemudian knowledge juga dibaca knowledge atau knowledge. Jadi jangan biasakan, oke? Okay? Knowledge, knowledge dibaca knowledge. Oke. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Thomas, the last.
Okay. Who makes the books and who makes the teacher clever in teaching us? Everyone can make a book, and who makes the teacher clever in teaching us? My opinion is the teacher from the teacher experience and the teacher practice.
That's all. Okay, thank you. And okay, for brother and sister, can I give some question again, or we will close the class because the time is up? Boleh saya ngasih pertanyaan lagi?
Ya.
Ya, oke. Oke, I have. Oke, this is. Oke, ya, come on. Siapa yang bisa menjawab langsung? Is the writer of the book a teacher? Who is the teacher? Okay, the first, Miss Beta. Time is yours. Come on.
Can someone else first? I don't know what to answer.
Okay, Beta. Okay, thank you. Okay. Memana? Yuk, kamu main ama? Memana?
I think that.
Okay. Do you focus on us?
I think the Twitter is not a book. The Twitter is.
Twitter is a media social,
Yes, the
right?
Or
media social.
writer.
Sorry. It's not Twitter. It's not Twitter. Writer.
Writer.
Oh,
Come
Writer.
on.
Is the writer of the book. Okay.
Sorry. Pardon your question.
Okay, Miss Belinda. Can you or Mr. Nanang ready or who? Yeah, come on, Miss Belinda.
Ma'am Ana, you wanted to answer?
Is the writer of the book.
Apakah penulis buku itu seorang guru dan siapakah guru gitu gak sih?
Yap.
Yeah.
Gimana?
Not always the writer is a teacher. Sometimes a writer. Iya.
Oh, dapat ciuman pipi.
Mau dong.
Mau dong.
Kita lagi pegang pipi semua.
Adik kecil, ganggu aja adik kecil. Yuk, come on.
Sometimes a writer just share her day day experience or day fantasy, just not always the teacher. I think that's who is
the teacher?
I think the teacher is someone who make somebody more get the positive positive apa sih namanya tuh? Seseorang yang membuat sesuatu menjadi lebih baik atau itu menurut saya itu adalah guru gitu loh. That's the teacher, I think.
Okay, thank you, Mimana. And now, Miss Beta.
Okay. Yeah, my opinion is almost same to Ma'am Ana. Not all writer is teacher, and because the writer can explain their experience or what they love. And who is the teacher? The teacher is for me. The teacher is everyone that I meet that can teach me or give me something positive thing or something that I can apply or I can make my point of view change or I get the benefit from them. It's for me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And now, Mr. Nanang.
Is the writer of the book a teacher? No. Yeah. Someone can write the book, and the teacher have the skill or the ability and experience to deliver the main idea or the main lesson or the books to the students. So the teacher have more ability to deliver the lesson or the books to the student.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next, Mr. Thomas.
Is the writer of the book a teacher? Maybe not all writer are teacher. Then who is the teacher? All people can bisa jadi guru. All people
can be a teacher.
All people can be a teacher when when them can give the understanding where good and bad.
So good. Oke, thank you. Kenapa ya Mr. Thomas berisik ya? Apa karena anunya ya? Kipas ya? Oke, thank you. Kepo aja sih. Mr. Irfan. Ayo, brother.
For the first question, in my opinion, not all the writer is a teacher, because because everyone can make a book. Someone make a book can write his experience every day. And my answer of question 2, the teacher is who can give us positive thing and make us new spirit and smarter. Thank you, Mister.
Oh ya,
Oke, Bulan. Yuk, Miss Bulan Safina.
I don't know what to say, sir.
Oke, Lecter harus ngasih pendapat. Oke, skip dulu Miss Bulan, Mr. Agus.
Yeah, is the writer of the book a teacher? I think with a waiter cannot call teacher. Why? Everyone can be waiter, but cannot be the teacher. Who is the teacher? I think our experience, all about your experience and your opinions, and can be the waiter. So the best of the teacher is our experience. I think it's it.
Good. Oke, Miss Rini.
All right.
Apa Om?
Tadi? Who is the writer of book, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I think everyone can be a book writer, because it's depend on the kind of book. And then who is the teacher? I think everyone can be a teacher, because teacher is someone who can teach someone to know something that they don't know, so they can learn about something new. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, the last, Miss Belinda.
Okay, maybe I will give a different answer. Is the writer of the book a teacher? Yes. If the book will give impact for the reader. Like that, because all of you say that teacher is someone who teach us new knowledge and etc. And I will answer who is the teacher for me. I will divide it into first formal and informal, because in formal school, I think all of my teacher, I will take all of their knowledge, not their attitude. But if I said informal teacher, they will give me a lot of things, not only something in my school, but also about my, what is that? Ilmu hidup, and etc. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Give applause for you all. Okay. So for brother and sister, I do hope that to increase our speaking by this online class. Okay, so don't miss it this class. Always join this class with me, because every day and every night we always discuss a hot topic and hot issues in our country. Okay, and our topic I will share tomorrow at midday after Duhur. Okay, So prepare our vocabularies, prepare ourselves, and prepare our mouth. Siapkan mulut kita to speak at in front of camera, untuk ngomong di depan kamera. Because it's better for us to practice our English. Because English is not cleverness. English is not cleverness, but English is skill. Practice it, make us perfect. Oke? Jadi bahasa Inggris bukanlah kecerdasan, tapi bahasa Inggris adalah skill. Jadi always practice and practice. Oke? So I do miss you. I do miss you. I need you. Saya butuh kalian to practice my English, and you need me to practice your English. Oke? Thank you so much for your coming, because the time is overacting. The time is over. Okay, let's take picture together. Okay, in a complete position. Oke, silakan foto lagi karena diminta lagi nih. Oke, print screen-nya mana? Oke, yuk. Mem Ana, foto dulu sama Dede kecil. Oke. Mr. Agus sudah cantik. Oke, 1, 2. Oke, thank you so much for your coming. Tata for now with Mr. Seju from Kampung Inggris Indonesia. Adalah sesi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
I miss class after class. Oh my god.
Class after class. Saya izin ya. Saya harus back to my home Kediri for about 9 kilometers. Oke. Saya langsung dari saya berakhir.
Bye. Thank you.
Ini ya, saya live aja ya. Saya live aja. Kalian lanjutkan aja nggak apa-apa?
Nggak boleh.
Nggak boleh, nggak boleh.
Kalian lanjutkan aja nggak apa-apa.
Nggak boleh, nggak
Saya-
boleh.